Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through on how you can send PDF file as link. All right. So here you learn how you can convert a PDF file to link and then how you can copy that link and then share it with your friends or maybe your teammates at work. Okay. When you share this link as text message to them or maybe through social media platforms like Messenger or WhatsApp or Facebook or Twitter. Once they get the link and click on that link, they will be able to access the PDF file. So stay to the end to find out how you can do that. Let's get started. To send a PDF file as link, the first is that you need to upload the PDF file to a cloud storage service. One of them is OneDrive and another one is Google Drive. But here we'll be using OneDrive. If you want to know more about OneDrive, I have a link in the description where you can learn more about that, okay? But here, let's do what we came for, okay? So I'll open my web browser after my PC will be connected to the internet. So I'm using Microsoft Edge here, but you can use Chrome or any other browser, okay? So I'll visit onedrive.com. I am logged into OneDrive automatically because I saved my login credentials on this browser. So, in your own case, you may be required to log in with your OneDrive email address and the password. Once you successfully do that, you'll be landed on an interface that looks like this, okay? So now I want to upload the PDF file into this my file section. So ensure that you are here, okay? Click on this to have this interface, okay? After that, click on upload, select files. Then I will navigate to a folder where I save the PDF file. I want to send as link, okay? So I saved it in the documents folder. So I'll click on documents. Then I will get to the PDF file. See the PDF file here, the one named Do Not Disturb. So I'll click on it for it to be selected. I'll click on Open. It says Uploaded Do Not Disturb PDF. Okay, so let me locate it. Okay, see the file here. Okay, that's the PDF file, the Do Not Disturb file that I'm using in this sample. So click on the file for it to be selected. As the file is selected, you will see some options here. All right, so click on Share. Here you can send this file directly to somebody by entering the email address of the person and then click on send. But here our interest is on link, all right? So under copy link, click on this copy. Then click on copy. All right? So this link now has been copied. So you can get to social media platform like Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, or any other social media platform or even a direct message and paste this link and send to the person. I hope you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, hit that like button for me, okay? So that this video will go viral. Also share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that and leave a comment. See you next time.